Good evening, welcome to our channel GQ Tips. My name is Kyriakos and today we will see how our effects work through the grid. Let me tell you what I've done. I've gone to patch, I've selected Chauvet Pro Color Strike M on 97 channels, I've put 25 fixtures, then I've gone to my plot and I've put them in groups of 5, that is I've made a 5x5 grid. Then I've selected my lights in order and I've made 5 different groups so that when I want to select my lights to pass them to the output of my grid, it will be easier for me. So we go to Out, View Grid, and we go Set Grid Size, and we put, depending on how many pixels we have, we can put more, we don't mind. We will now put 250 by 250. It asks us if we want the grid to be multi-element. We will say yes, because we want to. And we go to our groups. We choose the first one in an empty box. It can be anywhere. And here it has some options. Now in this specific case we have put them horizontally, so we will press the third option, which is duplicate elements, because we have duplicate element lights, and horizontally from left to right, and it puts them automatically. We choose our second group, we go again to Out in an empty pixel, insert heads, and we pass them in. We leave gaps, we choose our next group, insert heads, in the same way. Our fourth group in an empty space. If you have done it wrong like I just did, you select them with left click held down and you do remove. And you take the lights again, we have them already selected, insert heads, duplicate elements, horizontally from left to right. We do the same for our last group, and we are ready. If you want to crop the grid, that is to cut the unnecessary pixels, you press Shift and go Crop Grid or Optimize Grid. So now we go to our groups, we do a clear. We can choose either the plate from our color strike or the beam. The beam is the white LED inside the center that it has. So we choose our plates to start with. We press Add Group Effects, not Add Effects, Intensity, Dimmer Chase, and Include Elements, because they are lights with elements. Now it's like a simple dimmer effect is running. To run it as it is in the grid, we move our bar a bit to the right down here. It says Grid ID, I will choose Grid 1. And then it tells you how my lights will play, what spread they will have. For example, if I want it to be horizontal, I will choose Grid H, the H over here, and I will click it. So now my effect runs through the grid. Let's put another color to make it look a bit clearer. Nice. And now if I want to do forward, center out, center in, forward bounce, or anything else I like, it's super easy. Either I record it to an empty playback or I record it to my effects to have it. And another tip I'll give you, if you want to not have the same effects as everyone else, you can play a bit with the spread. Go to Group Offset here and change the value. For example, if you make it now here 150%, you see it has a different effect. If you don't like it, you either increase it or decrease it. For example, you will make it 125 if you like this. If again you don't like it, you find a value that you like. 100, let's make it 260%. This one looks nice, let's say. We record it to an empty playback and we are ready. That was our video for today. If you liked it, subscribe to the channel so we can keep making videos like this. And if you want, also give a like to this video. Thank you very much. Have a good one. Bye.